Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be finding for the sum of this telescoping series. So the first thing I'm going to do is just plug in the first few n values into our telescoping series. So the sum is equal to, when we put in n is equal to 1, we would have 1 divided by n. 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 3, and plus, when n is equal to 2, we would have 1 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 4. When n is equal to 3, we have 1 over 4 minus 1 over 5, plus, when n is equal to 4, we have, I'm going to stop there, and plus plus, the last few terms will be 1 divided by 1 plus n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 2. So as you can see, we can cancel all our things out. So for example, the 1 over 3s, the 1 over 4, 1 over 5, which is all the way in the back. So as you can see, whenever you have a term that is in the front of a parentheses, then it will cancel out with the next thing that is in the front. But when you have a term that is in the back of a parenthesis, it will cancel out with the one that is right behind it. The 1 divided by n plus 1, this will cancel out with the one that is in the front. So everything else that is in between here will cancel out. And this won't cancel out since, there's nothing behind it. And that's why the only thing we have left is 1 divided by 2 and negative 1 over n plus 2. Now what we're going to be doing next is taking the limit as n approaches infinite of what we have left over, which is 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by n plus 2. If n approaches infinite, then 1 divided by n plus 2 will approach 0, and this limit will be equal to 1/2. So 1/2 is just going to be our sum for this telescoping series. And from the start, we didn't really have to worry about these two, 1 divided by n plus 1 and 1 divided by n plus 2, since the denominator is smaller than the numerator, and when we take the limit as n approaches infinite, it's just going to be equal to 0. So thank you for watching, everyone. This was a video on how to find the sum for this telescoping series, and I hope everyone learned something from watching this video. Bye!